Hi, it's Trevor Shane with Bosch Home Comfort, here with an important technical service bulletin for the Bosch IDS Product Family. The IDS family has changed the factory default control settings to communication mode for all released outdoor units, air handlers, and furnaces. This change adds communication mode to the IDS Light air handlers, as well as the IDS ceiling and wall mount air handlers. The default factory dip switch settings are as follows.
For air handlers, this is dip switch SW7-1, which is default to on. For outdoor units, this is dip switch SW5-4, which is default to on. For furnaces, this is dip switch SW1-3, which is default to on. Units will ship with the 2-wire PQ pigtail factory installed, and the 4-wire CBYW pigtail will be located in the accessory bag.
To set up units in non-communicating mode, with the unit powered off, flip the appropriate dip switches for your application.
For air handlers, SW7-1 to off. For outdoor units, SW5-4 to off. For furnaces, SW1-3 to off.
For outdoor units, remove the 2-wire PQ connector by first removing the retention clip, then the wire harness. Attach the 4-wire CBYW connector and connect to your indoor unit. Please take care not to wire both the PQ and CBYW pigtails at the same time, as this will result in damage to the board. This change affects IDS products manufactured after July of 2025, which can be identified by a date code of 575. Please be aware of potential for mixed stock at distribution in the near term. For more information, be sure to check out our technical service bulletin in the link below.